has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Ogle County in north-central Illinois, Lee County in north-central Illinois, Dekalb County in north-central Illinois, until 7:15 a.m. At 6:10 a.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Hillcrest to Franklin Grove to near Rock Falls, moving east at 60 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Dekalb, Sycamore, Dixon, Rochelle, Sandwich, Genoa, Oregon, Amboy, Shibona, Cortland, Hinkley, Silverrock, Kirkland, Waterman, Hillcrest, Maple Park, Malton, Franklin Grove, Ashton, Paw Paw, Lost Nation, Sublette, Windhaven Lakes, Creston, and Lindenwood. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.